Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at our newest feature. We call it the Course Creator. So this is targeted to provide a software mechanism to coaches, trainers, anyone that's got content that they want to sell, teachers even, that they want to sell or provide. And we're going to quickly go through the module. So you can turn it on in your back office. It is live. Any new apps, it will work seamlessly. If you want to add this to an older app, we'll have to turn it on for you. Just let us know. So when you click on the course creator on the left dashboard, you'll see another dashboard over here. This is a snapshot of what's going on. You've got your admin revenue this year. You can sell these courses if you like. I've created a couple of things for tests. You can see at a glance the number of courses you've got, the number of lessons, how many students have enrolled or people have enrolled, and the number of students you've got. You can also see your course overviews, active courses, pending courses, and if people, if you add trainers, you can add trainers underneath you, and they can put their own courses there, and then they can also request to be paid for those courses. So that's what this is for. So we're going to quickly take a look at all the features on the left-hand side dashboard. First thing is courses. You've got your managed courses over here. You've got your add new, your course categories. I will go through them one at a time. I've added a couple here just to be just for the demo. We've got a test category and mobile apps category. You've also got the coupons ability. So this is basically if you're selling a course, you're able to add a coupon. Hit the add new button. I'll just edit this one. Give it a coupon code, the discount percentage, and the expiry date. And this can be used on checkout when someone's buying a course. Let's go back to the managed courses. When you hit the add new button, this is what you're going to see. I will go to edit this course, and you have all of the basic requirements of setting this up. So I've added two sections here. I've got one called overview and one called time to get selling. And within those sections, you can have unlimited number of lessons. So for this example, I've added lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3 is mobile apps. And then in this section, we've got sell, proven to engage, and selling. And you can release these in a drip campaign. So you can basically say, in your first week, you get this one, your second week, you get this one, third week, you get this one, and so on and so on. So let's take a quick look at what you do to add a section. If you wanted to add a section, you click add the section, give it a title, and then it will show up here. And within the sections, you're able to add lessons. So I can click add a lesson. I can select the type of lesson. It can be a YouTube link, a Vimeo. You can upload a video file, a URL, text document, PDFs, images, all of that kind of stuff. Let's click a document file here for a course. We'll call it demo lesson. I will put this in the overview section. It'll be a PDF file. I can give it a little title here, demo course to see, and let's find a PDF. So I'm just going to pick one of these things just for the demo purposes. So we've got a flyer here. Again, you can add as much text as you want. You can make this a free lesson, so you could have subsections within sections, lessons within sections that could be free. Like you can use it as kind of a tripwire where you can give something away for free. People can see, you know, oh, this is really cool, and then go ahead and buy your course. If you mark it as free, obviously this specific lesson would be free. I'm going to hit the add lesson button here. It's uploading the file. Please wait. And now you can see the demo lesson has been added here just now. Okay, so we'll look at the front end in a second. Let's just quickly go down the other feature. So now we're going to take a look at the enrollment. And you can see over here a history of people that have signed up for any of your courses. You can see what course they've signed up for, what the enrollment date is. You've got date filters here as well. You can delete them as well. And then you can manually enroll a student. You can select a user, and you can select a course to add them to. Okay, you can check out there's some reports here, admin revenue. You can also see revenue by instructor if you've got multiple instructors. And then over here, you can see that. So you're the admin, your app inside of your app, and then you can add a new admin if you needed to. Here you add instructors. So you can see I can manage my instructors, additional instructors. I can add an instructor right here. first name, last name, their credentials, social media information, payment info, and then finish. Payouts. So this is completed payouts. When an instructor sells a course through the system, they can request payouts, and then you'll see them lined up here. You can see the instructor settings here. If you want to allow the instructor to be public, so it can be shown on the front end of the website, which you can see right here. You can allow that. This is for the application, so instructors are able to apply to become an instructor on the front end of the website or the app. Click the website right here. So let's take a quick peek. So this is the front end of the website. You can manage the images here. You can manage the logo here. And then obviously the content, the language you can manage here, the copy. You can see your top courses. You can see your last 10 courses. Featured instructors, if you've got that. And then you've got the ability to add a blog as well. And then you've got the ability to allow your users to join, to start learning and buying classes or courses. And then the instructors can also apply here to be an instructor. Okay, that's the front end of the site. And in the split here, you can do a revenue split. So you can say, for example, if you wanted to charge a fee, you can do a straight revenue split with the instructor. So if he sells a course for $10, he would get 70 in this case, and you would get 30%. Okay. Here you can manage your applications. You can see right here we've had an application submitted. I can check the application details like this, and then I'm able to change the status. Okay, approve or delete. Moving right along, I can see my students as well. I can manage my students. I can edit my students. I can delete my students. I can see what courses they're enrolled in. All the same permissions and situations you can do here. You can add a new student manually as well. Same thing, completing all the information. And then you'll be able to add that student. You're also able to message from the platform to send a private message to one of your users, either a student or primarily a student. Okay, this is where you control your blog. You're able to control blogs here. You've got pending blogs, blog categories you can set up, blog settings, and which is pretty self-explanatory. And down here we've got settings. So we've got system settings. The front end, this is where you can name your front end of your website, which is managed up here. Where is that? Sorry, it's called Course Creator. So that's what this site is called now, Course Creator. You can change that. Website title, your description. These are all managed over here. These are all the things that you can manage over here. You've got your author, your slogans, like a tagline, an email, your phone number, your YouTube API key. Click this and we'll show you how to get that Vimeo API key. Don't worry about the purchase code. Language is only English at this point, and then you got the ability to have email verifications if you'd like that. Okay, footer text, website settings. Again, title, banner title, which is here. Start learning from the best. You can change all of this. You can manage it all. Also, you can have cookie status, cookie notes, your social media links, and then policy, about us, terms and conditions, your privacy policy, refund policy, all of those kind of things can be managed right here. If you want to activate reCAPTCHA, you can do that here as well. And then here's your images. So this is the image that's on the front end right here that you can manage, and your logos can be managed here, and your favicon, all managed here. Okay, so that's all of the settings. And we'll look at the drip content settings. So if you've got drip content, like if you got a bunch of video courses and you want to provide, like let's say you want, after someone goes through all of your courses, your entire course with all the lessons, they come out with as a graduate, or they get a certificate, you can ensure that in order to get to the next lesson, they watch a specific amount of the videos. So you can do it by percentage or by duration. So let's say you have an hour video, for 60-minute video for each of your lessons. You can say you've got to watch at least 50 minutes or 55 minutes or whatever. And then for the lock lesson, you can say, for example, if I've only watched 40 minutes and the required time is 50 minutes to get to the next lesson, you could say, sorry, you haven't watched the entire lesson, blah, 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 and give the instructions to your students. payment settings. You can set up your currency. You can set up PayPal. We've got PayPal. I believe we've got Stripe as well here. And Razorpay is another payment gateway that we've got integrated with the system. Okay. SMTP settings. This is for sending your emails. You can use that here. System generated emails. Your social logins are managed here, and manage profile. Your name. We call this course creator. Email, again, social media links, and etc. So that's the quick overview of the course creator module. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at what this looks like inside of the app. I've got this hidden in one of our apps, and again, you can see right away it's the exact same user interface as you would found in the front end of the website. You can see the courses, the latest courses, the administrators, the blogs, all of that stuff is visible here. You can start looking at your courses. You can buy courses. Let me see if I can show you something here. So my top courses here, I can buy it now, same kind of thing, and check out and pay, and I'll have this course now purchased. So I've got both PayPal and Stripe set up. I can pay, and once I've paid, I would now have that course available to me within the app. So that's the front end for the user, the customer, and you can also apply to be an instructor here. So yeah, it's a pretty great feature. I think you can will get a lot of use out of it. And if you got any customization requests, please do let me know. Thanks for watching. But before you go, I wanted to show you quickly here what the course looks like once something's been purchased. So you can come here in the course section here, manage your courses, and go to the course playing page, and you can see the different courses, the sections here, section 1, section 2. It starts here, and you can look at the different lessons we've got set up here. You got the video component here. You've got another one here. This is a PDF. This is one that we just added. And then you've got the other section here. So you can have multiple sections, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as many as you want. Again, you've got PDFs and videos that you can include in your lessons. So this is what it looks like for the users once they've made the purchase. Let me just move this up a little. And as a user, I can see here, how much I've completed of my course, 20%, 1 of 7. I can see my courses and the course details. So that's the front end after a user has made a purchase. This is the section that they would see both on the web and in the app. Thanks for watching.